Welcome back. In today's video, we'll learn how to create users in Windows Server Active Directory. I'll show you step by step how to add a single user as well as multiple users using the graphical interface. I have developed a PowerShell script with a graphical interface that prompts for the required fields to create a single user, and also provides an option to import a file for creating multiple users at once. So, let's get started. I'm working on a Windows server with Active Directory, and here I have both files ready, the CSV file for multiple user creation and the PowerShell script with a graphical interface. First, let's take a look at the CSV file. It contains the following fields: first name, last name, user ID, password, organizational unit, and account expiry date. I have created an organizational unit named Script Testing, where all the new users will be added. Now, let's verify the organizational unit location. To do this, right-click on the organizational unit, go to Properties, and then click on the Attribute Editor tab. Here you can see the distinguished name. Copy this value and paste it into your CSV file. As you can see, there are currently no users created in this organizational unit. Let's refresh the screen to verify. Next, open Windows PowerShell with administrative rights. Now, let's open the PowerShell script. As soon as we run the script, a graphical interface appears with the following fields: first name, last name, user ID, password, and organizational unit. Now, remove the earlier organizational unit path and paste the exact OU path where you want the users to be created. First, let's create a single user. User created successfully. Let's verify. Refresh the screen. As you can see, the user Sajjad Hussain has been created successfully. Now, let's create multiple users using the CSV file. Import the CSV file that contains the users you want to create. Simply select the file and click on Open. All users have been created successfully. It doesn't matter whether you have just a few users or thousands, this script can perform the task quickly and efficiently. Let's verify now. Refresh the screen. Boom! As you can see, all the users have been created successfully. You can now verify that the same users listed in the CSV file we imported have been successfully created in ActiveDirectory. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.